Hey, good morning. Andy Farmer here, Eastern North Carolina. We've got a little breeze to start the day, but wanted to take a minute and hopefully you can hear me okay to talk to you about this 16 Super Sport. This is a Boston Whaler model. Obviously they start with a 13. This is the next size up. Absolutely love this model boat. It's equipped with a Mercury 75 horsepower motor that's going to give you a mid 30s top end speed, around 30 knot cruise. It is just a perfect boat for our area. Loaded up. Current owner takes it right over there is the inlet, pulls up the sandbar, takes his paddleboards, surfboards, and goes over and goes surfing. You got a boarding ladder on the back, a couple cleats / tow hooks there, cleats around the side, nice stainless hardware, 2 6-gallon fuel tanks, cup holders, storage box. It has storage under the this hatch right here. Try to do it without shaking you all around on the phone. Opens up, you've got some dry storage there, cell phones and that kind of stuff. And then you see these black fasteners on the latch. That is for a windshield. He has it off right now, but it does have the windshield option. Got anchor storage there, obviously a nice cleat up forward. As you can tell from the start of the video, he keeps this boat dry stored. It does not have a trailer. We can get trailers locally. I've got it down in the water, but obviously it's trimmed up and stays out of the water when it's not in use. Very nice boat. Owner's just changing to a different style boat to meet his mission better. He's selling larger Sea Ray and then the smaller Weather and getting into a one boat that fits both missions. It's a great opportunity to take advantage of a lightly used whaler. It's available for immediate delivery. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, please give us a call. 910-264-4818. It's my cell. You can also text that number, 910-264-4818. Thanks.